As community health workers, you are playing an important role to stop the spread of the coronavirus pandemic. It is important to follow the guidelines issued by your PHC medical officer for corona-related work. During home visits, continue meeting pregnant women and providing some family planning services, as these are essential services. When you're meeting pregnant women, inform them about all precautions that they must take, such as avoiding crowded places, staying at home as much as possible, washing hands frequently using soap and water, avoid touching their eyes, nose and mouth, frequently cleaning surfaces such as doorknobs or handles, mobile phones and other everyday objects. Inform pregnant women that for an antenatal checkup, they should go to a nearby PHC or CHC or a private hospital. If there have been no complications of pregnancy, they may defer their antenatal checkup by up to 2 to 3 weeks and consult their doctor or nurse on phone. However, it is important to remember that they should have a minimum of 4 antenatal checkups during the course of their pregnancy. If there are complications or difficulties during their pregnancy, then they must go to the hospital more frequently for checkups. For delivery, you must help pregnant women and their families identify a hospital where they feel safe in going. If they have no pregnancy complications, they can go to a CHC, PHC or private hospital closer to their homes. However, if they have any complications during pregnancy, you must advise them to deliver at a large hospital that has the facility to provide cesarean section if the need arises. Family planning. During home visits, ensure that you have sufficient supplies of all contraceptives such as condoms, oral pills, chaya, emergency pills, and Nishchay pregnancy test kits, so that people don't have to go outside to buy them. While counseling, please bear in mind that many migrant men have returned to their villages, hence the need for contraception has gone up. It is not advisable to refer women for sterilization during this time. If you meet women who are using Antara injectable and are due for their next dose, refer them to a nearby sub-center or PHC or provide an alternative. For women with unwanted pregnancies, refer them to a health facility where safe legal abortion services, including surgical and medical abortions, are available. Take all preventive measures to keep yourself safe. Maintain a distance of at least 1 meter from others. Use a 3-layered mask to cover your face. Avoid touching your face at all times. Frequently wash your hands with soap and water. If you develop any symptoms, immediately inform the medical officer. If you follow these guidelines and precautions, you can prevent coronavirus from spreading and ensure that these essential services are maintained.